My name is Ali Lamarche. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Barrie, Ontario.
And my name is Mackenzie Palmer. I'm 22 years old from Gatineau, Quebec.
The Canada we want is the Canada that supports the education of healthy relationships in our schools and communities.
So therefore, we believe that implementing better and higher quality services in our communities for youth will help prevent dating violence, relieve stress. What else will it do? And also unhealthy relationships.
How are young people supposed to know what healthy relationships are when our education system and government won't teach us?
Working in the school system, being involved in the school system, I'm certain that a healthy relationship program or class is essential for our youth. And it has to be taken as seriously as a math or science class.
I have personally been affected by dating violence. Having a better support system in my community and learning the warning signs of an unhealthy relationship could have saved me from what I have been through. Being a victim, I need more than a hotline number to call a stranger and a wait list that's over a year long to see a therapist. Rome wasn't built in a day, but they started somewhere.
Look, we need the government's support today to educate our youth on what a healthy relationship is. We need the funding to train youth on healthy relationships in our schools and communities.
It needs to be for youth, by youth, with support from adult allies and our government. We need support in educational groups so the youth get proper information on healthy relationships in their communities. We need everyone's help in this room to build a brighter and safer Canada. And let's not wait until it's too late. That is the Canada that we want.
Woohoo!